Tired of endless vacuuming? Imagine a spotless home with zero effort. Introducing the Dreame D10 Plus Gen2, the robot vacuum that redefines clean. Boasting automatic dust emptying for up to 90 days, you can say goodbye to daily chores. With LiDAR navigation, it intelligently maps your home for efficient cleaning. The powerful 6,000 Pascal suction effortlessly tackles carpets and pet hair, while the 285-minute battery ensures whole home coverage. Experience the future of clean. Get your Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 today and reclaim your time. Check the first comment to buy now.